Welcome fans back to another unboxing and review from the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series. Number 2 of 6 in the Flashback series was Shocker. This is a 2018 new look of Shocker Flashback. I wasn't able to get him in the stores and I didn't want to get him off of eBay, but I found him at a hobby shop a couple weeks back. So we're going to just do a little review here. You have Mad Scientist and Epic Editions. There's Shocker again, Titan and Epic Editions, King Crunch and Flashback, Son of a Digger and Toy Favorites, El Toro Loco and Creatures, Alien Invasion and Toy Favorites, and Mega Rex and Creatures. So let's go ahead and unbox this flashback of Shocker. Before I unbox the new Shocker, I wanted to show you that I had this one in the box still. This one was from 2015 new look of Shocker. You might have remembered this one. Nice graphics and everything of the truck. Yeah, I never opened it. As you can tell, on the back of the box they also have the 2015 new truck of Instigator, Bulldozer, Higher Education, Gravedigger, El Toro Loco. I also have the 2004 Shocker with the small hubs. But let's go ahead and unbox this one. Take a look at it. There's that green recrushable card. That's always cool with this. Into the arena with Shocker. The graphics of the truck. Have the Monster Jam logo. The new updated logo of it. And there's a Shocker with all that yellow, it looks like. Probably like lightning striking. You have the Hot Wheels logo on the truck. Coming around to the front, then a big S with some more streaks of lightning on the hood of the truck, and then the opposite side, Shocker with the Monster Jam logo, has a BKT tires, and there's the tailgate of Shocker. And now I found out a picture of this one, and it seemed like this version of the truck graphics and stuff was back in 2011, and I forgot also that I had 2 other Shocker Hot Wheels Monster Jam trucks, and here's this one with the mud tires, and then I also have the Team Flag version that came with the Team Flag, but it was the X-ray body. So have a couple things. So thank you for tuning in to this unboxing and review of Shocker.